Hello everybody, welcome to If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. Today I'm going to show you guys a game-changing way how to make kindling. And all you're going to need is a hammer and a firewood splitter. You no longer need a hatchet, bang it into the tree to try to make it. That's really annoying. This is it. This is it. This is it. Let's go. Now, I'm not going to bore you opening the box, but the only thing that came in here is this bag and then the firewood splitter. This thing it's nice. It's sturdy. It's not cheap. It feels like it's about probably 15 to 20 pounds maybe. It's definitely got some weight to it. Solid cast iron. This is it. You can see the blade inside of here. It's actually not a blade because it's not sharp, but it's what is going to split the wood when you apply that hammer pressure. Now, to start, you're going to just need some wood, and then you're going to need the apparatus, the firewood splitter, and also a hammer. Now, the box shows that you're going to need a mallet. That's fine. I have one, but I don't know where it is. Therefore, I'm going to use a regular hammer, and, why not? This hammer works, the mallet's going to work. That's the way I see it. So, the circumference of this thing is only yay big. Now, I put this wood in here 2 seconds ago prior to filming just to see. Because I was like, this is not going to fit, and I was right. So, just got to make sure you have the right size wood that would actually fit in there, because this is pointless. I can't use it. So I'll just use that to burn a fire. So I grabbed one of these smaller pieces. They're actually kind of got split in the middle, so this is kind of a cheat code. But I don't care. I want to see this thing work regardless. Ooh. Cheat code or not, that was effortless. That's awesome. Look at this. Make that piece smaller. This is so dope. This is it. Now, let me grab a regular piece and just see how this really works. Without the cheat code. This is not a cheat code piece of wood. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shots. No muscle. I'm just banging away. Put no leg, no shoulder into it. That's it. Like, when I tell you this is a game changer, I wasn't even lying. Now, I know there's plenty of these out there on the market, but this is the one I got. There's a link in my description if you want to purchase this one or get another one, but you don't have to buy kindling anymore, and it takes nothing to make it. You don't got to use a hatchet. But the bag that it came with, I don't know what material it is. It's nice material. It's not plastic. It's not paper. It's that type of material that's designed that it won't puncture. So when you put sharp pieces of wood in here, it's not going to bust through the bag. Personally, I don't really have a need for it, but I guess you can if you want to transport some of this kindling down to your fire pit. But I have a garbage can I'm going to just fill all this up with, so I'm just ready. But yeah, this is pretty convenient. It's not a bad bag. You know what? I probably would use this. This is a game changer. But yeah, that firewood splitter making this kindling is extremely effortless and easy. How easy is it? It's so easy. An 8-year-old can do it. Let's witness the 8-year-old hands and the 8-year-old footwork. Yeah. Bam. He did that. Yeah. All less than a decade of him did that. And now, this stuff is satisfying. Like, making a kindling, I don't know what it is about it, but it's very satisfying. I enjoy doing it. He enjoyed doing it. he stayed inside the garage after we filmed this video for another good hour or so. And listen, I'm still rocking out to the fruits of his labor from doing this video that day. I still have kindling I get to use. Running low because I've been burning a lot of fire in the last few days. Because the last few weeks, because I refused to turn my heat on up here in Connecticut because it's still October. But there were some cold days. But yeah, forget all that. This firewood splitter is super dope. That you're gonna thank me later. Anyway, with that said, this is If I Can Do It, You Can Do It. I am the amateur's amateur. I hope this video was informative, and thank you very, very much for viewing. And if you want this firewood splitter, there is a link in my description. Enjoy your splitting, and thank you again for viewing.